Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the camera test between the Zenfone 3 and the Zenfone Max Pro M1. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now yes, this is a highly requested video, so yes, thank you so much for everybody who left a comment. I shall be comparing the camera of the Zenfone 3 to that of the Max Pro M1, but you already knew that because that's the title of this video. Literally, let me quickly go over the specs. Now on the back of the Zenfone 3 is just a single camera right there, no dual camera system there. On the front is a single camera as well. Going on to the Max Pro M1 and it's got dual camera system there. And going on to the front is a single camera. Now going on to the interface here, and the Zenfone 3 has the Zen UI 3 user interface there, while the Zenfone Max Pro M1 has the Snapdragon camera interface there because it actually runs stock Android, not Zen UI. Anyways, enough about the specifications. I'm sure I put some text overlay there. Let's get to the pure photos and videos taken with both devices.
So the Zenfone 3 seems kind of zoomed in or cropped in compared to Max Pro. I think Zenfone 3 also lets in too much light. You can see my skin is like so brown and the sky is all blown out. Well, Max Pro, while I'm looking at it, it looks so dull, but it picks up the light. We can see the clouds and sky. I think looking at the video, it's more darker compared to Zenfone 3 here. Seems the front camera also has that kind of greenish tint, or is it because I'm shooting at night? I don't know. And if I come here towards a bit more lights area with more light, it's more miserable. But I couldn't see myself in both the phones. Back there where there was less lights, it was almost like completely couldn't see myself. Here, I think it's much more visible now. I think we have a better idea of what comes better. But if I stand here, Max Pro picks up light much better and more visible now compared to the other phone. And there's so much trash behind me. Alright. So as I'm walking through here, I noticed that Zenfone 3 is kind of zoomed in compared to Max Pro. And the Max Pro has kind of like a orangish tint. I don't know if you guys could notice, but here Zenfone 3 is looks much more natural compared to Max Pro. So something I've noticed while recording at night is that the ASUS Max Pro on my left is there's kind of greenish tint while recording and on the video, and keeps refocusing all the time. Well, the video on the other one, the other ASUS phone here on my right, is pretty better compared to Max Pro. And I think it's much more visible now, the greenish tint, especially during the light bulbs, the tube lights. Of there's a reflection of light, there's kind of greenish tint to it.
And there you have it. That has been the photos of the Zenfone 3 versus the Max Pro M1. A huge shout out to Taufik who actually went out to get all of these photos there, and the ideas in for these videos were actually his ideas. So leave a huge shout out to Taufik in the comment section there below. Now, talking about you, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the output from the Zenfone 3 or from the Zenfone Max Pro M1? Now, from what I know about people that use the Zenfone 3, you really love the Zenfone 3. But yes, please let me know which one you actually like here, Zenfone Max Pro M1 or Zenfone 3. I think I've said that too many times now, so you know what to do. Hit that comment section down there below. And also, since you're here, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos, and you know, you turn on notifications right there. And more importantly, I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing people next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.